So we have this equation having a fourth root and a square root. So let's get started. So to eliminate this fourth root, we have to raise this to the power 4. So we raise both sides to the power 4. Power 4 and the fourth root will cancel up. So we'll be left with the square root of x to the power 4 should be equals to x plus 12. The next thing you want to do is to simplify this. We all know that the square root of a is the same as a to the power half. So we are going to change this to, we are going to have x to the power half times 4 should be equal to x plus 12. Next, when we have a n times m is the same as a n times m. So it means we can multiply these two. So if we multiply 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we'll be left with x squared, because this 4 and this 2 will cancel up, we'll be left with 2. So we'll be left with x squared should be equals to x plus 12. So we now have a quadratic equation, and we are going to solve for x. So to solve for x, we are going to have x squared. To write the quadratic equation, this is positive. We get it becomes minus. So minus x. The same with 12 is positive when it get in the equation. When it causes the equal sign, it becomes minus. So minus 12 equals to 0. We have a quadratic equation, so we can apply factorization. So x squared can be factorized as x and x. Next, we have to think of two numbers. That way we multiply together, it will give us minus 12, and when we add the two numbers together, it will give us minus 1. So if we do that, the two numbers would be normally 3 times 4. If we have 3 times 4, okay, so 4 is going to be a minus number. 3 times minus 4 will give us minus 12. Next, if we have minus 4 or 3 plus minus 4, it will give us minus 1. So this implies the two numbers will be plus 3 and minus 4. So we can put in here minus 4 plus 3. Then we can solve for x, so x will be equals to 4, or x equals to minus 3. So these are the two solutions. So one of them is correct. So initially our question was the square root of x should be equals to the fourth root of x plus 2. So we can x plus 12, we can check our solution. So if we plug in 4 in the place of x, if we put 4 here, we'll be left with what? The square root of 4, which is 2. And if we bring in 4 here, we will be left with 16. So we'll have, when x is 4, so we are going to have the fourth root of 16. Now the fourth root of 16 is 2, because 16 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. So we are going to have 2 should be equal to 2. So that's the only answer. So the answer is this one. X is equal to 4. If you plug in minus 3, the solution will be wrong. So you can check it by plugging in minus 3 to the question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.